Welcome. If you want to set Overdrive in your Gigabyte Aorus Fi27Q, at first you have to go under this LED indicator, click once on the button to open this floating menu and go for the settings. Next, when you are in the gaming mode, you have to go for the right side with this button and you have to scroll to the Overdrive, go for the right side, and as you can see right here we got three different options. We got picture quality, we got also balance and speed. So we can pick your favorite. If you want to stay with the speed, for example, you can just go back. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.